All right, so shopping at Sephora part 2. So like I said, I saw the teenage kids over there taking the lipstick and putting it in her pants. Like she had high-waisted pants, you know what I mean? And she tried to pretty much slide it in between the pants, between her skin and the actual pants. Like straight up stealing some shit, right? And I know this because all the guys are kind of huddled around her to kind of like protect, like not protect, but like block the real thing. You know what I mean? Like block her from doing her stuff. So like no one who is watching can actually see what's going on. So I know the game. It's stupid. But you know, like to me, I just find it so crazy. So anyway, while I was in the store, I went over, got my items, and then walk up to the register, and I like, you know, pay for my items and things like that. There was a black girl that was at the register. I talked to her, you know, it just basic stuff. She was just like, oh hey, you know, what do you think? This is your first time using this shampoo or this body wash? And I was like, yeah, I heard it was pretty good, and it's the da 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 da. So anyway, as I got my items and was walking out, I actually saw the kids, right? They were at another section still doing the same shit, like huddled around, and she kind of like grabs, it was like a thin pencil, so I'm guessing it's like a lip liner or maybe an eyebrow pencil or something like that, and she grabs it, and like you just saw like a thin pencil kind of go down her pants or whatever. Like honestly, there is no need for me to steal. Like, I mean, I work hard, I get my money, and I pay for my items, you know what I mean? And it all reminds me of this TikTok video that I saw where this woman was like, hey, if you go into stores and they're racially profiling you, do exactly what her mom did. And what her mom did was hilarious. Basically, if someone comes up to you and asks like, hey, do you need help with whatever, you just say, yes, I do. You give them the bag, and they will be now like your personal shopper. So as you're walking around, you're like, yeah, let's get that. Go ahead and put it in the bag. So I'm gonna start doing that from now on. If I feel that I'm being racially profiled and people are just following me throughout the store, that is exactly what I'm going to do. Because for people to sit there and try and stalk you and follow you for a $30 item, or you know what I mean, or it doesn't even matter what store you go into, like a $12 item, like it's absolutely ridiculous. I don't know, it's pretty crazy. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment sections. What are some other tidbits and tricks did you guys use?